In Botswana, if a citizen of South Africa overstays, they have been given 2 weeks, they stay 3 weeks. When they get to the immigration desk, they are told, you've overstayed by a week, 7 days. They are told further, it is 10 ula per day, that's the fine. And because you've overstayed by 7 days, your fine is 70 pula. Go to the nearest police station and pay. They write them a note. And they go to the nearest police station, they pay, and they come back with a receipt showing they have paid, and they are allowed to depart. That's what happens in Botswana. In South Africa, if a person overstays, and they overstay when they've gone there to attend to their sick relatives whom they take across the border for medical attention. Some of them are truck drivers, suffer a breakdown. They tend to overstay because they are in the middle of nowhere. And what then happens is they are told when they reach the immigration desk, you have overstayed. You are therefore banished from entering South Africa for the next 12 months. You're not allowed here. Go. And this is what happens. And we want some harmonization so that we enable our people without countenancing breaches of the law, but we accord them treatment that enables this little problem to be resolved as expeditiously and as efficiently, as humanely as possible.
The only area is in small retail business. That is an area reserved for Ghanaians. Small retail business like corner shops and things. We don't expect that somebody will come from outside and come and open a container shop on your street corner. That is reserved for Ghanaians, and so that's the only restricted area. But otherwise, everywhere else, anybody who has foreign direct investment is welcome to bring their investments into Ghana.